Today I'm gonna do some harvesting, which I do every day. Every morning my routine is get up, come and feed my pigeons, let the chickens out, and harvest something out of the garden. Usually 2 or 3, 4, 5 things, sometimes up to 10 or 11 things. But we're getting cool weather. Oh, here comes the chickens. They'll start picking on my garden. But anyhow, I'm gonna pick some eggplant, some purple beans, maybe a few peppers, and that's probably maybe some arugula. That'd be about it for today. So anyhow, here we go. Hey girls, what y'all doing? So I'm gonna pick some eggplant, which I picked some. I think we ate some about 3 days ago. Get the bigger ones. I guess I'll get like 3 of them. Gonna do that for that. As you can see here, these, I don't know exactly what these peppers, I think these are those honey pippin peppers. I'm not for sure, but I've got so many of them in the house. Look how big they are. They're beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna pick any today because I got so much. Did we finish the okra up? Or we still got okra in the house? May have to pick some okra. Don't leave my beans alone. They love these beans. Get out of here. Guess I'm gonna pick some of these. We just finished these yesterday that I had picked 3 days ago. Y'all go on. Go on. They love these beans. Go on. Get out of here. Okay. Oh yeah, we picked this yesterday, I think it was. My wife made some tea, basil tea. And well, let me just show you real quick. Well, we picked this, I guess, about 4 days ago. I have to pick it again. My Swiss chard. Get down. Get down. That's what I'm talking about. These chickens. Oh, here's my lettuce. I've been getting worms out of here every so often. They eat up a lot of this lettuce, but this lettuce here, they're leaving alone. And then over here, my radishes. As you can see, yeah, the bugs have been eating on the leaves really bad. I've been picking the worms off, giving them to the chickens. And then this lettuce over here, it won't be long. I'll be able to pick a little bit of it. Some of these bigger leaves. Sure is growing really slow. Kale. My patty pan squash, I got rid of the plants. My wife, we cooked it 4 different ways. We did roasted in the oven, chunks, which was good. I fried it, battered them and fried them. I didn't really care for that. My wife made some type of a casserole. That was good. And then she made some pudding cake out of it, and that was delicious. My amaranth, I've been pulling it up, feeding it to the chickens. My beets are looking pretty good. I see some bulbs on some of them. Over here, come over here. More radishes. My cucumbers ain't gonna make it. They're hard to just pull them up. So you can see, oh, I got a radish to be ready to pick here pretty soon. Now look at these sweet peppers. I pick them every day, and they're just loaded. Look how big they're getting. I can't keep up with eating them. Look over here, look at that. All the way around this thing. Then my cherry peppers, oh, I can pick that one, just turn it red. But yeah. Over here is my cayenne pepper. We dried out 65 of them about 4 or 5 days ago. And a bunch more red ones here be ready to pick and dry. And then we grind them up and make pepper flakes out of them. So our pizza. Carrots, there's my atomic red carrots. A few, not a lot of them came up. Of course my okra. And I'd like to wait 1 more day. We've been eating okra every day. I made a bunch of gumbo out of it. Oh, my squash over here. I don't know if we're going to get very many. There's 2 on this plant that's left. The other ones kind of died and swiveled up. I threw them away. But I think those are going to be okay. And then this plant's got 2, but I'm concerned about this little one, if it's going to make it right here. I don't know, but this one over here looks fine. It's going to be good. I think it's getting too cool for these plants. I mean, this morning it was 55 degrees. We're 55 out here right now. I don't know, it maybe got down to the low 50s. Oh, my bok choy, the worms, I've been picking them off. Now they're not, the plant's coming back around, so maybe I'll get some of that. I forget what this stuff's called. I never grew it before, but yeah. What else? Oh, these peppers over here. I think these are called violet something or another. I picked some the other day. Look at that thing. Probably need it. Oh, you know what? Well, I need to pick it, but I got so many peppers in the house. Oh, these prosciuttos. I picked some more yesterday. I get where I really like them. As you can see, this is just loaded. There's more that need to be picked back in there. Look how big that one is. Ready to be picked. There's its sister right there. It needs to be picked. But been sauteing them on the stove. Fact is, I'll finish it up today, what we did yesterday. And then maybe tomorrow I'll pick some more and do some more. Well, there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish picking these beans and whatever else I need to pick for dinner today. But we have this garden every day for dinner, every day. And it's already, what, October the 2nd? Oh, I ordered a green stalk, which is blue. And, so I'm gonna plant some lettuce and things for the winter and maybe grow some stuff through the winter to see how that goes. All right, now let's look at the bucket garden real quick. My sage, as you can see, I've harvested it about a week ago, dried it out. Strawberries still looking good. My rosemary still looks good. All right, let's look at the potatoes real quick. Here's the 2 buckets we got left. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this one. I'm gonna take it out back and do it. This one I'm gonna leave maybe another week or so. It's got a lot of green and it's still growing. This one's got a new shoot that came up. So I don't know what's going on there, but let's go dump the bucket and see what we got. See if we can beat the 21 from last time. Okay, now I got the bucket back here in the backyard. You ought to be able to see the garden, I think. Maybe the chicken house. So let's dump it out. Oh God, this ain't dumping as easy as that other bucket did that time. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get 21 potatoes. All right, here's one, a little one. That's one. That's a nice one, 2. A lot of leaves. Where's the potatoes at? Oh, here's the seed potato. Okay. Oh, a little one, 3, 4. They're small. 4, 5, 6. Oh, here's a nice bigger one. 7. Maybe I harvested it too quick. Should have left it longer, maybe. 7. Oh, wow. There we go. 8, 9, baby one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15. That looks like that's it. Wow, that's disappointing. 15 and a lot of small ones. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them decent size, good size. So yeah, that first bucket at 21 did a lot better than this bucket. And this is probably a little over a pound, pound and a quarter, something like that. So yeah, I thought this would do better than the first bucket. I don't know about that other bucket. If I were to go ahead and harvest it, I'll wait a little bit longer so maybe the potatoes can get a little bit bigger. I'm gonna wait another week or so, see what happens then. So that's bucket number 2. 14 potatoes, a lot of them on the smaller side. The other one had 21, quite a few of them on the bigger side. And we'll see what bucket 3 does next time. Last but not least, the chickens. I just let them out this morning for about 40 minutes. And then we went and put out gospel tracks today. Been out for like 6 hours, way north of us. And got home this evening, turned them loose, letting them forage a little. Still got all 20 of them. It looks like there's about 4 or 5 of them, maybe 6, that's getting close to wanting to lay, I think. They're 4 months old now, and the production red could lay as early as 4 months. I mean, it could be 4.5, could even be 5. But a few others, I noticed that their cones are starting to get a lot redder. Yeah, I'm talking about you, girl. And they're comical to watch. Hey, where y'all think y'all going? Don't go that front yard. Miss Isa Brown, you like to be on the camera. Or is it the other one? Maybe it's the other Isa Brown. She's over there. And Barnevelder. Hey, Miss Barnevelder. Lavender Orpington. Yeah, I know. You're the one. You just saw the camera, didn't you? Yeah. You camera hog. Hey girl, what are you doing? Go on. Yeah, you want to be on camera too? You pretty girl. Yeah, I'm talking about you. All right, I guess that ought to do it for now.